very much for coming down on this lovely sunny day. I'd just like to remind everyone about your votes. Make sure you put your ping pong ball in the voting tubes next to the car that you like, because the winner of the most votes will win the first ever People's Choice Trophy of Fulneck Classic Car Show 2022.
Okay, this is quite an unusual car. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. It's a Caravel, and this is the owner, the proud owner, whose name I don't know.
John.
John, hello John.
Hi.
So this is your beautiful car?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, tell me about it.
Well, I've had it for 7 years. It's
Yeah.
a 1964 Renault Caravel.
Renault.
Yep,
Okay.
1100cc, engine in the back. Very rare in this country because they're very expensive new.
Yeah.
In those days there was a lot of import duty to try and keep the British motor industry going.
What an idea.
At the time this would have been about £1,200 new.
Goodness.
You could have bought a Triumph Spitfire for 600 and something.
Oh.
Similar British car.
Yeah.
So they're very rare in this country new. Mostly they rusted away, so this is a rare survivor.
Yeah. Does it live in a garage all the time?
Yes, yeah. Probably about 30 left in this country now.
Wow. Yeah. So I was just admiring it because you might think it was a Tesla because it doesn't have a front grille.
That's right.
But as John just explained, because the engine's in the back. But does it go fast?
It'll cruise at about 65.
Oh, not bad.
You can do 75, but for a car of this age, it's not fair.
Yeah.
And with all the weight at the back, the front becomes a bit twitchy when you get over 70 miles an hour.
Yeah, you don't want that. Okay.
No spoilers in those days to keep the car
and you
down.
don't want to spoil it. It's a beauty.
No.
Okay. Thank you very
you.
much. Cheers. Here with
Mick Bromley.
Mick Bromley,
Yes.
not Bramley.
No.
Okay, and he's got this magnificent Mini, which what year is it?
It's a 1991 1000cc Mini,
Rocket.
and it's actually a convertible, would you believe?
Oh, you'll have to show me that.
Yes.
It's got a very hard roof.
I did it 5 years ago, been on road. It's featured in the Mini magazine,
Yeah.
because it's the only one in the UK that's got this detachable roof, which I'll show you where it comes off.
Okay.
So the joining's here,
Yeah.
and along here,
Oh,
so all this will come off.
wow. Okay, you don't do that when you're driving down the road.
No, it's not something simple. It's a two-man job, so
Incredible.
yeah.
Okay, and he's done a magnificent job on the engine. And tell us about that Guinness can there.
Yeah, this Guinness can is something I saw in on another Mini, which I quite liked. So I'm a lover of Guinness, and I thought I'm going to put Guinness can over my coil. So it's powered by Guinness.
Excellent.
Best drink in the world.
Yes.
And we've highlighted the fact that Fulneck exists.
All right, I'm here with John Anderson. So it's got a wooden frame that was all...
The ash frame, when I bought the car just over 3 years ago and examined it, the ash frame was absolutely riddled. So I've had to replace the complete ash frame during lockdown.
Incredible. So that's pretty complex woodwork as well, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's, buying the ash as raw timber and then shaping it all to fit the pillars.
I'm amazed.
It was a big job.
And all the mechanical bits, the metal work?
Yeah, I've done everything on it apart from the final coat of paint and the upholstery. I love driving it, yeah, it's a very interesting car to drive. It's the last car that they built with a throttle pedal in the middle.
Oh,
In 1934 the throttle pedal was in the middle, and then in 1935 they moved the throttle to where we know it now,
yeah.
on the right hand side.
Oh boy.
So it does take a bit of getting used to.
I've been terrified. Okay, that's wonderful. Thanks for talking
Thank
to us.
you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Watch your back, guys. Right, I'm going to start getting this bunting down.